If you use OneDrive on a laptop or desktop, you may want to make sure your offline files only sync over Wi-Fi, especially if you're trying to avoid using mobile data, a hotspot, or a limited connection. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check the OneDrive settings and turn on the right network options so your files stay synced the smart way. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open the Microsoft OneDrive app on your computer. You can usually find it by clicking the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar near the bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons, and then choose the OneDrive cloud icon from there. Once OneDrive is open, look for the gear icon. Click it, and then choose Settings. This is where you can control how OneDrive behaves on your device, including sync preferences and network-related options. Now, inside the Settings window, look for a section called Sync and Backup or Network. The exact wording can vary depending on your OneDrive version and whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, but the goal is the same. You want to find the options that control when and how syncing happens. If you see an option that says Pause Syncing when on metered network, turn that on. This is one of the most useful settings because it helps OneDrive avoid using restricted connections and keeps large files from syncing when your network is limited. In some versions, you may also see Wi-Fi only syncing or a similar network restriction setting. If that option is available, enable it so OneDrive prefers or limits syncing to Wi-Fi connections. After that, it's also important to check your Windows network settings. If your Wi-Fi connection is marked as metered, Windows may treat it like a limited data connection, which can affect OneDrive syncing behavior. To avoid problems, make sure your Wi-Fi network is not set as metered if you want normal syncing over Wi-Fi. This step matters because OneDrive often relies on Windows network rules to decide when it should sync and when it should hold back. Once those settings are in place, OneDrive should now avoid syncing large or offline files over mobile or restricted networks, depending on your version and system settings. That means your files will be more likely to sync when you're on Wi-Fi and less likely to use up data when you're not. If you're not seeing the exact option mentioned in this video, don't worry. OneDrive updates its interface over time, and some features are hidden under slightly different menus depending on your app version. Just focus on finding the sync, backup, or network-related settings, and look for anything that mentions metered connections or Wi-Fi only behavior. A quick recap: open OneDrive, go to the taskbar cloud icon, open Settings, check Sync and Backup or Network, enable the metered network or Wi-Fi restriction options, and make sure your Wi-Fi is not set as metered in Windows. That's the best way to control offline syncing more intelligently. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.